Hello, champion. How are you faring today? It's my pleasure to welcome you to this exciting segment on verbal reasoning with me, Mrs. Chuku Root. I hope you're ready to get on this ride with me because it's gonna be a fun ride. Let's go. Now take a look at the instruction that we are given. It says use the sound words in the box to complete the following sentences. Now look at the example. We have name, talking, rustling, brain, and screaming. Now let's use this example given to answer the question. Number 1, the dash of the donkeys. What sound does the donkey make? The donkey brays. So our answer is brain, the brain of the donkey. Okay, so we have number 2, the dash of the eagles. What sound does the eagle make? The eagle screams. Now we have the screaming of the eagles. Alright, let's take the last one so we can leave the others for you to answer. We have the dash of the leaves. The answer is rustling, the rustling of the leaves. Do you understand that now? So we have name and talking. So you can actually tell which of them belongs to the word given. Alright, let's go to the next one. Now we will be talking about general term. Now the instruction we have says circle one word which is a general term which describes what the other words are. Now the example given is A. Lion, B. Cow, C. Animal, D. Zebra, E. Dog. Now if you look at the underlined word there, we have animal because lion, cow, zebra and dog, they are animals. Do you understand that now? Okay, so it means animal is the general word or the general term for the other words. So let's see our exercise. Number 11, we have A. Stealing, B. Smuggling, C. Crime, D. Robbery, E. Mother. So which of these words is the general term for the others? We have crime because stealing is a crime, smuggling, robbery and murder, they are crimes. Do you understand that now? So the answer is crime. Now, I guess you understand that. Okay, let's go to number 12. A. Dictionary, B. Book, C. Bible, D. Pamphlet, E. Encyclopedia. So which of these words is the general term for the others? Is it dictionary? Is it book? Is it Bible, pamphlet or encyclopedia? The answer is book because dictionary is a book, Bible is a book, pamphlet is a book, and encyclopedia is a book. Do you understand that? Okay, so let's take the last one, the very last one, before we leave the others and go to the next one. We have accountant, we have doctor, we have teacher, we have barber, we have worker. So which of them is the general word for the others? The answer is worker. Why? The reason is because an accountant is a worker, a doctor is a worker, a teacher is a worker, a barber is a worker. Do you understand? So with this now you'll be able to do number 14, number 15 and number 16. Alright, let's go on to the next slide. Welcome back. In this one, let's take a look at the instruction. In the following words, pick out the one word that does not belong to the group. The example given says A. Leg, B. Ankle, C. Toe, D. Arm, E. Knee. So which of this word is the odd one amongst the others? So the underlined one is arm, because the leg, the ankle, the toe, and the knee, they are all in one part of the body except the arm. So the arm has to be the odd word among the others. So let's go to our exercise. We're going to be doing 17 and 18. So 17, A, come, B, move forward, C, approach, D, depart, E, advance. So which of them is the odd word? It's very, very simple now. As you can see that the odd word here is depart. Come, move forward, approach, advance, they are in the same category. The only odd word there is depart, while the others are going, one is coming. You understand that? Okay, so let's see 18. 18, we have A, crowd, B, plenty, C, scanty, D, people, E, many. So which of these is the odd word among the others? The answer is scanty, because crowd is many, plenty, many, people, many, more than one. But when we have scanty, it means it's few. So scanty is the odd word amongst the others. Do you understand that now? Okay, so I know you'll be able to answer number 19 and number 20. All right, let's go over to the next slide. Welcome back. Now let's see the instruction. Choose the letters which would complete the first word and begin the second one. This is gonna be very interesting. So we have the example. We have MO-EY. So now we are going to look for the word or the letter that will complete that first word and complete the second, which is -EW. And we can see the answer on the line there is option B, which is N, letter N. When we add letter N to the dash, it gives us money. So does that N start the next word? Oh yes, it does. It makes it new. N-E-W, new. Do you understand that now? Okay, so let's try our exercise. We have THIR dash. We have dash OOR. Now, is it option A, is B, C, D, or E? Now, let's analyze it. Now, option A is C. If you have THIRC, doesn't make sense. THIRD, okay, that makes sense. It will give us third. Okay, let's see if D gives us another word. If we add it to OOR, DOOR, that is door. It does make sense. That is our answer. Option B is our answer. We have third and we have door. Do you understand that? Okay. Let's go over to the next page. We have FRIEN dash and we have dash EEP. So which is gonna be our answer? We have R, we have O, we have F, we have S, and we have D. Now if we choose R, we will have FRIENR. It doesn't make sense. Now if we have F-R-I-E-N-O, freno. It doesn't make sense. Okay? If we have F-R-I-E-N-F, it doesn't make sense. Friends, no. What about F-R-I-E-N-S? Friends. It still doesn't make sense. So we are left with D, which is F-R-I-E-N-D. That is friend. It makes sense. So does D rhyme with the other letters? D-E-E-P. What does it give us? Deep. That means that is our answer. Do you understand that? It's quite easy, right? Yes, it is. So with this, you'll be able to answer number 3, 23, 24, and 25. So this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you've learned something today. I'm glad you did. All right, I want you to stay smart and stay focused till we meet again. Bye.